Om Sri Sai Ram. Sri Ganesha, Sri Ganesha, Sri Ganesha Pahi Mam. Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Raksha Mam. Sri Ganesha Pahi Mam, Jaya Ganesha Raksha Mam. Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha Raksha Mam. श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश पाहि माम. Om Sri Sai Ram. So, the part 3 begins. After everything was over, all were very happy. In the evening, again, we all sat, ladies on ladies side, gents on this side, with all the guests, with all the garlands. We given position now near that Krishna, small Krishna, eastern side, where Swami's garages are there. So we all sat there. Swami came, looked at us, smiled, and again. But now this was acceptable because all were in happy mood. There was no anxiety, there was no anticipation, there was no tension. So coolly everybody said, okay, at least the marriage is performed by in Swami's temple. So the girls' side were so happy because can't describe the tension they had undergone because of this divine drama. And I was more happy that the Mangal Graha effect, if at all, must have been removed because the marriage was performed with Swami Sankalpa at his birthplace by his priest. Nothing could be better than that. So next day everything started becoming normal. 1 day, 2 days. Most of the guests, they left. Now the girl was of course our family. So we stayed, me, my mother, my wife, my brother and his wife, we all stayed back. So 2-3 days passed. So one day morning, I was sitting in darshan in the first row. Swami came. Hey, I saw your brother. He was standing at the bus stand. I said, yes, Swami, his in-laws and guests all are going back. So just he went to see them off. सब लोग गया, everybody is gone. I said, yes, Swami, everybody is gone, only our family. सब लोग गया, everybody is gone. I said, yes, Swami, everybody is gone. Evening को बुलाता हूँ. What यार? Who just can't imagine what this God is up to. He can do anything. Evening को बुलाता हूँ. So me, my brother, but this time we did not had any expectation, any anticipations. Okay, whatever you do, okay, Swami. Because all were in happy mood. The girl was with us and everybody had left. Okay. So, ladies and gents, evening Swami came directly. Chalo, chalo. And then we got up. We went inside. As soon as I entered the interview room with my son Harshvardhan, now he was 2.5 years, 3 years. His hair was grown, he was putting rubber band like a girl because Swami had promised that he will cut the hair and everything, so and he will name him. So we had not cut his hair also. As soon as we entered, Swami's first thing, लड़का है कि लड़की है? I said, Swami, ladka hai, your grace. Because of your faith, I changed. Then we all sat down and then Swami put first morsel of food in my son's mouth. He had already, beti ko pehle baar de, ask your wife. He had already given first morsel of food to my daughter in the ladies' side, in the crowd. And then he kept the name Harshvardhan. He will spread joy to everybody. See the spelling, your name and his name, Only E difference. I am Harish, she is Harshvardhan. Then daughter, Sumana, good girl. And she pulled Swami's hair. I put that photograph there. And then I had this question to ask to make my position clear and Swami's position also on human plane clear, because there was a doubt in everybody's mind, especially on the girl side, even my brother, that whether Swami had actually asked me and told me that he is going to perform or it was my imagination. So I told Swami, Swami, why you did not perform? You promised that you will perform the marriage. And then Swami revealed his Dharma Swarupa. गर्ल का फादर नहीं आया, मैं कैसा मैरिज परफॉर्म कर सकता हूं? गर्ल्स फादर डिड नॉट कम, हाउ कैन आई परफॉर्म मैरिज इन हिज एब्सेंस? Then the father will tell, Sai Baba got my daughter married to somebody without my knowledge. I am Dharma Swarupa. Then everybody realized this Supreme God is incarnation of perfection, as I mentioned again and again and again and again. So next, I requested Swami. I said, Swami, you had named my son, my daughter. In our family, it is a custom that girl is to change her name after marriage. So please, at least you do this favor and you name her. तुम मेरे से कितना काम कराएगा? How many things you will get done through me? I said, Swami, no problem. You give me address of some other god, I will go to him. If there is other god. Then he laughed and then he named her. कुछ भी नाम रखो, Cleopatra. I said, no, Swami, you have to name her. Then he named her Supriya. In between, very important thing I forgot. When he said girl ka father nahi aaya, then I mentioned, I said, Swami, mera father bhi nahi aaya. He was sick. So he didn't come. You are my devotee. For you, I am your mother, I am your father. They are different. They are not my devotees. See, that is why I mentioned in one of the previous videos, Swami says you may love everybody equally, but you cannot treat everybody equally. First common sense, then divine sense. My mother on that day, she spoke one sentence in Sindhi to Swami and he responded to her in Sindhi. And we all came back happily. And now more than 25 years, no Mangal Graha, nothing. My brother, my Lakshmana is happy, healthy, hearty in his marriage life. Very, very happy, Swami. Thank you, Swami. Jai Sai Ram.